Welcome back everyone, just look at this. Waking up to Seram Lake like this with the mist and that perfect stillness is hard to leave.
Hi guys, welcome back. We are going to Yining now. On the way there are some couple scenic points and it should be a very relaxing day according to Connie.
And just a little bit outside of Yining, look at this engineered feat. 国子沟 Bridge stretches 700 meters between mountain peaks. It was finished in 2011 and cut the travel time from Yiling to Urumqi by half, literally bringing Xinjiang's dramatic backcountry to the rest of China.
We had arrived at the Yiling village here. So there is supposed to be an old village, but this area is brand new. It just was built last year, where there is a public bathroom and all that. Now we're gonna go into the old town of Yiling. It is supposed to be a very picturesque town. It's known for all the colorful houses and buildings and shops. It's also known to be like a place where you can visit people's home. But you might not see that from me because I don't like set up homes. Yes, the place was already like that, but then it's very welcoming to the tourists. But then I don't want to go into people's home and then they would charge me for going to their home, right? Do you know what I mean? It's not that I don't want to pay. It's just I feel like that many people are doing that. So the only other home visit that I've ever went to was one in Cuba. We went as a group of 10, right? We went to this residential area and we were like, oh, can we go inside? So the homeowner actually invited us to go inside to see a traditional Cuban home. So that is the type of home visit that I like. Denise is getting this lamb bread. It's their traditional bread. You can also do 4 staple rides here like this. It is 150 and it includes a home visit. Right now it's 1 p.m. It is relatively quiet. It's a lot more crowded at night, but I can tell why people like coming here because it's very, very colorful. Blue, yellow, green, like all the buildings. I am at a pastry shop here. They make it right inside the bakery. These are very Russian influenced. A lot of the people here, they don't even look like they're Chinese. I'm sure you know, it's Euro-Asian faces. And everyone is so beautiful, you know. A lot of them are owned by women so that the other women in the town can have a job. This is the honey pastry that I got. It's yum, yum, yum. Right now, we are in a covered tuk-tuk. It is 20 RMB per person, so it is a lot cheaper than the horse carriage. Of course, it's very tight, but it will do the job. So this is a traditional home day here in this town in Yiling. Being renovated right now, that's why you cannot see the inside, but we will be going to another one, so I will show you the inside of what a regular homestay is like. We are now at this homestay. Like I said, it is quite set up, right? But they do live here, so that's what, it's just that maybe the living room or the garden and the patio are all like very colorful. They like to host dinner and lunches here in this garden, so that is actually very pretty. And I like this door, so it's pretty. Wow, so beautiful, this garden.
We were pretty hungry and found this very nice restaurant right in the middle of the town center plaza.
This is where the wedding will be. Hundreds of people will be in this center. This is the center of the town. They will be dancing, eating, drinking. It is actually really, really, really pretty. So we are gonna eat in this cute restaurant here. The setup, it looks so cute. Sit in this type of table. This is definitely Janelle's type of restaurant. We ordered for tea. Oh, so we got chai soup egg and the #1 famous dish. They call it masala, but it looks like yogurt to us, so let's try that. This is like flavor of home because Denise and I have been having maybe a little bit too much grilled or roasted food. Once in a while, we want to switch here and just have some regular food in a non-local restaurant. They said this is not local, but I feel like this is very local. So many people actually don't even speak Mandarin in this region because it's not because of my Mandarin. Someone local who speak Mandarin to them, they don't understand everything also. All right, trying this now. I love it. I can almost taste the probiotic. I know, I'm sorry, but this is a local dish, okay? This is the lamb skewers and then with some chicken wings and chicken pieces on the back and French fries and rice and oranges and some pickles for sure. This is what Denise ordered and it's almost bigger than her. And she ordered a small size.
Bigger than my face.
Yeah, it is bigger than your face.
Oh,
French fries! You all know me by now. Chicken wings is my favorite. So there's chicken wing here. Highly recommend this restaurant. I'm going to put the link in the corner and I'll put in the address. So if you're ever in this area and you don't want any more local food, this is more like fancy. But then you have so many choices. This is the beef with potatoes. So let's try the beef. But the chicken wing is so juicy. This is our first proper lunch in 6 or 7 days. This is the beef. Wow. Highly recommend this restaurant. The name is in the corner. So this is the second floor of the restaurant. So these are their rooms. They have big rooms. So this is where they would host their wedding banquet as well. That's why it is different from all the other restaurants that we have been to. This is a big room. Beautiful. Oh yeah, wow, look at that. Nice. Tombola is the music instrument. We are now going back to the car, and while we are walking, all the stores are open now. There are many belts and leather goods from lamb and horses and stuff, even the paintings. So you would feel like you're in Europe for sure because everyone look like they're Central Asian, European, and they look like the people that I met when we were in Georgia. And this is the mosque here in Yining. Very beautiful. The front, it's a very nice entrance. These are nice arches. Whoa. Whoa, look at these fruits, guys. Whoa, pomegranates. Wow, guys, this is a very good shop for honey. And they ship all over China. These are the pure honey. Wow. So I'm trying it now. This is so my thing. I love honey. So they have all these type of containers. So how much you want to buy, you can buy it. Wow. So guys, this is the pomegranate juice. It is very sweet and fresh.
Okay, so this blew my mind. They actually sell edible clay. Yep, you heard that right. Locals have been eating this mineral-rich soil for generations. Then we arrived at Liu Xin Street.
It is actually an whole area that is in the shape of hexagon. I'm going to show you the map right now. This is one of the entrance with the arc. Wow, this is their traditional bread, the Russian bread. Pomegranate juice. We are now going to try the ice cream that our guide told us. She said it is very good and very creamy. We cannot wait. She said it's even better than the popsicle I had the other day. This is so gorgeous. This is an ice cream shop. So rustic. Look at this bench. You can get many flavors here. Original flavor, you go to the other side. This place has other different flavors. Pistachio, raspberry, rum raisin, green tea, vanilla, wow, matcha. And over here, the specialty is that you can add these jam toppings. Look at that. I have never seen this many toppings before. That is really, really cool. All right, and then this is the store that is for the original flavor. So that's why I'm checking it out. Of course, this is the topping stage. Oh my God, this window. Okay, let's check it out. So this is the outside. This is so cute. But this time I ordered 3 flavors because I want to try all of it. I cannot believe I've never done it anywhere before.
Locally made Xinjiang ice cream. I have to say it's good. Very, very smooth and milky.
My favorite flavor out of the ones that I got was the cantaloupe. So good, so good. The flavor was perfect flavor. This is a place for roasted lamb. Wow, it's beautiful. Right now it's not crowded yet because it's very early right now, but it's very pretty. This is where they roast the lamb. You can see one here over there, and the oven is in the bottom. Now look at these doors. So pretty. It is relatively quiet because the holiday season just passed last week. He's teaching you how to paint. These are special because look at these. So nice. And these are handmade, I suppose. Look how cute this one is. Wow, so cute. This is so funny. And even these are so cute. This rainbow one. This is a Xinjiang specialty at this place called K-Buck. Trying this drink. No idea, I never heard of it. I guess it's like it started in Russia. Okay, so these are the stuff inside, like malt, honey, corn. Oh, Hongzhou. Hongzhou is definitely not in beer.
We have no idea what we're trying, but we'll try it because they said it is a tradition of the people here. So we'll try it, but we don't know what we're trying.
So Denise is trying the drink now. I guess she likes it. So this is where we went to have the K-Buck. Okay, so now it's about 7:30. It's getting a little bit more crowded because it's getting close to dinner time finally.
Moments later.
Arrived at our hotel here at Yining. So yes, don't expect much, but at least this room is a lot bigger than the one last night. It looks at least clean and spacious, especially for 2 people, and a much bigger mirror, I guess. Massage time.
The next day.
Hey guys, good morning. We had left the town of Yiling and now we arrived at this place called Tianshan Flower. But in Chinese, it translates to Tianshan Flower Field, like flower sea. We're gonna look at some leftover lavender field. I don't know how many is left as the season definitely passed. It was in August. So as you can tell, it's nobody here because it's also raining. So I would not be able to fly my drone, but I'll try to use my Insta-360. And hopefully we'll be able to show you guys at least a bit of the field. Okay, they also have this place where you can take pictures with the water, so it has a reflection of the water, so it looks like a mirror. We're gonna take a shuttle, so it is open, so there are stuff to see at least. Wow. Look how pretty. Pink leaves, pinkish red because of the season. Today is October 11th. We are at Yining Lavender Field. So my guide have told me that I'm no more, but I insist on coming. And look at this. It is still as purple as it could be, at least in this weather. Just look at this, it's so pretty, right? I am so glad I insist to come because it is so beautiful. Wow. Because I would never expect to see lavender in this type of weather, but I had done my research and I know there were still some, so I insist on coming. Oh my god, guys, look how beautiful this is. I don't know what it is called, but it's absolutely breathtaking. Oh my goodness. I know I'm a little bit over, but it's raining, so I have to boost myself up. Wow, guys, this is a 60,000 acres land, so it is humongous. You guys have to come here, especially in the summer. And of course, like all lavender field, there are shops and souvenir shops, like products with shampoo, even face oil, conditioner, food, soap, and everything. So I'll definitely have to get some because I do like lavender. Even the face mask. It's so cheap here, she said. Oh my gosh, she's like, everything is like so good. Hey guys, so I am at NaLaTi area and it's raining pretty bad outside, so everything is closed. So I'm really sorry, but I did came all the way here 4 hours to be exact to try to film so that you guys can see what it looks like in the fall. Unfortunately, because of the rain, especially the fog, they said you cannot see anything, and even the what is it called, the shuttle buses that most of the big parks would require in China are closed. So I'm sorry.
Well, as the plan has changed, I decided let's find a hot pot karaoke. And guess what? I found one. It was such a great alternative plan. We had so much fun. Just feel bad for Connie because she had to listen to us sing.
So we arrived at our hotel, the same type of room, and of course she welcomed us. So cute. Let me show you the room. It is basic. A shower, a sink, and a toilet. But it's spacious though, I have to say. It's pretty spacious. Hello, she's so cute. Denise loves cats. So we got some cantaloupe. I did say I wanted some honeydew, but that is also very good. As we couldn't go that day because of the weather, so we changed the plan for the next day so we can make sure we visit the Navarrete grassland, which is the most famous grassland in all of China. And then we were heading to Wanshu Grand Canyon, where I was blown away with the scenery. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.